So you see, the branch said, oh, I have to look for the tree or for something bigger than me, but I'm looking for that in books, videos, seminars, gurus. This is very easy. I mean, if you go and see a guru, you go to the branch ashram. So normally you will see a branch with a long beard, long hair, and people singing, Om, branchy om, bram, bram, sai, bram, sai, bram, branch, you see? And everybody, yeah, he will save us, and then you're lost. Sorry, guys, I told you at the beginning. It's when sometimes people leave, like, yeah, how are you there? Nobody outside you, if you see the example, an external branch will liberate you, and you go together with him. And the tree, hey, where are you going? To Nirvana, in the mountains. And then somebody tell you, like me, they told me that, stop looking, because you're looking all the time for new ways to keep on looking and searching. No, it's a different way to look, a different way to search. Spiritual seeker, seeking. And then the only thing I need to do is stop the search, stop the seeking, surrender, I am there. Then there's no time, there is no progression. Every time you say, I hear evolution, progression, I'm seeing some progress. This is the ego. The seeker, yeah, progress, time. I started 10 years ago, now, progress. I don't see any progress. Boom, where's the progress? That's happened to me when I was 24 years old. Where's the progress? There is no progress. There is only ease. I am. If you add, I am progressing, back in the branches. And a special branch, look at me. Side branch. Oh, side branch. Whoa. Yeah. I touch you, yeah. Special branch, yeah. You see? Dangerous, very dangerous. Then there is even if you go to, I've seen people, this is especially people in Switzerland. I saw a guy, when he was born, he didn't go to the school. He was keeping just between, animals, farming. For me, it's one of the highest enlightened beings. He talks to you, it's like nature talking through. I mean, amazing, man. He said, the only thing I do every morning, I see my farm, breathe in, breathe out. Thank you. Oh. And you know what? I can't talk to the cows. He was talking to the cows. And I was listening. No, she told me that today he doesn't want me to get some milk from her. He was and the very healthy cows, everything fantastic. This guy was amazing. And he didn't go to India to branch, home. You see? He didn't have any devices like, my guru. You see? Nature. Surrender. He was surrendered, yeah. And he was such a wise guy. He was talking. One of the wisest people ever. You see, he didn't have any progress. He didn't talk about progress. He was like, and here in the mountains, there's nothing coming now. Maybe I should go to, I don't know, India. No, it was there. Life put me here. I'm fine with this. So what? Boom. You see, look more for that. Not as a technique. Okay, now the technique of surrendering. With the eyes. Is it here yet? Surrender more. Is it here yet? Surrender more. Is it here yet? Surrender. Maybe something missing. Maybe surrender with 2 hands on the floor. Maybe I have to become vegetarian. Maybe I have to eat insects. Sacred insects from India. So you see, it's very easy. You are already there. But your mind is somewhere else.